Capital recorded the biggest single-day spike in COVID cases, and adding to that is 7,745 new cases to its tally on Sunday. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain said the national capital has hit the peak of the third wave of COVID-19. He also called the current wave the worst since the beginning of the outbreak here. In fact, Satyendra Jain stressed on the importance of wearing of masks, saying that it is the only medicine until vaccine is developed for COVID-19. While the situation demands heightened caution, shoppers can be seen thronging Delhi markets ahead of Diwali. Visuals on your screens here are from Lajpat Nagar and Sarojini Nagar market, where social distancing norms clearly goes for a toss. Meanwhile, Delhi's air continues to remain in severe category for the last many days. The air quality index now at over 400 points, which means Delhi's air is extremely toxic and can affect healthy people as well and can seriously impact those with existing diseases. Remember, doctors have time and again said pollution levels only aggravate COVID-19, and that's what we see happening in Delhi right now. Tanushree joining us. Tanushree, here we're looking at visuals where people are thronging to markets. It's as if there was never something called COVID-19, or people have forgotten it, or they're willing to live with it. The fact of the matter is pollution levels are rising, and this only aggravates COVID cases. Here, it doesn't seem like anybody cares.
Absolutely, Nabila, and I think the people are losing their patience as well. It's I think the entire year has went, but we really need to make sure that, because the health is the priority, and the Delhi government has also been saying, as you rightly mentioned, Mr. Satyendra Jain has said, that Delhi has now entered the peak of the third wave of coronavirus, and it's a double whammy because the air quality index in the national capital right now is above 400, and in many places it is above 500. So it's nearly impossible for the Delhiites to breathe right now in the national capital. If you see the sky also, Nabila, it's about 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and the entire sky is basically, there is a thick layer of smoke which has basically taken over the sky. So definitely it's a double whammy, but many people are not taking it seriously. It's Diwali. We are approaching the Diwali festival season, and many are. You can see the shoppers not taking the COVID rules seriously, and they are not maintaining social distance. Many people are not wearing masks, which is basically flouting the rules openly. And as we spoke to them, they told us that now they have run out of patience. But the Delhi government is doing all it can to make sure that the pollution levels come down. And as you said, that Delhi, witnessed the highest single-day spike, above 7,000 cases of coronavirus, and along with that, more than 500 air quality index.
Are cops monitoring this?
Well, the cops are trying their level best on the ground to make sure that the people are following the COVID rules. People are being fined at each and every checkpost of the national capital, Nabila. If one person is seen not wearing a mask, even inside a car, that car is being stopped by the Delhi police, and they are fining each and every vehicle and each and every person who is seen not wearing the mask. But Nabila, imagine that we are in a situation right now that not just because of coronavirus or COVID-19, we also have to wear our mask because of the drastic, most toxic pollution level. We cannot take off our mask even for 1 second. So that is something the Delhiites need to understand.
Doctors have suggested that wearing a mask
are going to be even more drastic. That's what the agencies are saying.
No doubt. Wearing a mask is going to help in not just COVID-19, but also the rising pollution levels. Wear a mask, wear it right. You have several tutorials that doctors have given time and again through this pandemic, and these are pollution levels that only aggravate the COVID situation. We're glad that the cops there finding those violating norms. Let's hope that's a deterrent. Thank you, Tanushree, for joining us. With increasing COVID cases here and the air pollution, the national capital is now reeling under a double whammy. The Kejriwal government is trying to curb pollution with steps like sprinkling roads with water and vacuum cleaning. Here's a reality check on how effective this pollution fight is. The national capital is reeling under its biggest challenge. Massive spike in pollution and a surge in the number of COVID cases. Stepping outside has become a big challenge for Delhiites. Air quality index has breached the 400 mark, hovering at hazardous levels. Air quality index is at 431 in Anand Vihar, 465 in Jahangirpuri, 426 in Punjabi Bagh and 424 in Rohini.
The national capital is now battling pollution on war footing. Most of the bodies are now on the ground making sure pollution levels do not rise. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has banned bursting of crackers on Diwali. What you see behind me is one of the steps that are being taken in the national capital to curb pollution. Sprinkling of water on various Delhi roads has already started. All this is being done to make sure levels do not spike. Unfortunately, that's not the case on ground. For the past few weeks, Delhi citizens have been breathing hazardous air. But at the moment, all the civic bodies are involved in making sure they take care of all these steps, which the Supreme Court has also asked them to do, to keep the pollution levels in check.
Kejriwal government has taken multiple steps to reduce pollution, but how effective are these measures? If sprinkling of water has failed to curb pollution, vacuum cleaning of roads have tried to minimize dust particles. Huge vacuum cleaning trucks are used to keep roads, pavements and other hard surfaces clean and free from debris. But the shooting air pollution levels have shown not much signs of abating. However, the capital remains hopeful.
The Supreme Court has made its stand on pollution very clear. They have now asked all the agencies to work towards one direction, which is to curb the pollution level in the national capital region. The Delhi government and the MCDs are now working on that one goal. Mechanical sweeping of roads has already started. Water sprinkling is now taking place twice a day. The idea is to curb the pollution levels. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is maintaining his government is doing everything in its power to make sure pollution levels remain within acceptable categories. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today with camera person Sanjeev Kumar.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.